Welcome sa zip9.com. In this video ay tutuloy natin ang ating series about direct linear variation. No? And sa video na to ay magsasolve tayo ng more problems. No? This is the fifth video in the series. Kung gusto nyo ay panoorin nyo yung videos 1 to 4, yung DLV1 to DLV4. No? Para mas maumpisahan nyo no? Itong series na to. Now here we have y varies directly as x. And when x is equal to 15, y equals 3. Find the constant of variation and find y when x is equal to 4. I think this is 4. Hindi siya 42. And x equals 4. Okay? So, sabi natin, if y varies directly as x, then we can describe this relationship as an equation na y equals kx, no? Where k is the constant of variation. No? And sabi niya, when x is equal to 15, y equals 3. So, substitute lang natin. Ang y natin ay 3, tapos ang x natin ay 15. So, k times 15. No? So, baliktarin natin para yung variable natin nasa kanan. So, we have 15k equals 3. Binaliktad ko lang, no? And therefore, k is equal to 1/5. No? So, yung constant of variation natin ay 1/5. Tapos, ito na, nasagot na natin to. What is the constant of variation? So, this is one of our answers. And ang pangalawang tanong is to find the value of y when x equals 4. So, y equals kx, so meron na tayong constant of variation. So, pwede na natin siyang i-substitute yung y equals. Yung k natin ay 1/5, no? 1/5 x, no? And we want to find y when x is equal to 4. So, syempre, substitute lang natin y equals 1/5 x or 1/5 times 4, meaning y equals 4. So, ito yung sagot natin doon sa pangalawang tanong. Okay? Now, for the second problem, we have constant of variation is 12. No? So, y, again, if it's a direct linear variation, pwede natin siyang i-represent as y equals kx. And sabi niya, constant of variation is 12. So, pwede na natin i-diretso y equals. Yung constant of variation natin is 12. Yun yung k, diba? So, 12x. And find x when y is 36. So, substitute lang natin. 36 yung y. We find the value of x. Oh, sorry. 36. Y is 36. So, substitute lang natin. We have 12x. Meaning, 12x equals 36. Divide both sides by 12. Over 12 equals 36 over 12. Cancel yan, magiging x na lang natitira dito, and 36 over 12 is 3. Now, kung mapapansin nyo, binabaliktad ko nung nilalagay ko yung variable sa kaliwa. No? Pwede namang nasa kanan yan, kaso usually mas maganda siya isolve pag nasa kaliwa yung variable kasi yung pinaka-final equation mo magiging x equals 3 instead of 3 equals x. Although pareho lang yan naman yun. For ano lang yan. For personal preference. Of course, it's perfectly correct if you have the equation 3 equals x. No? But usually, sa convention, no? Pag nag-aaral tayo ng math, usually ang variable natin ay nasa kaliwa. Again, hindi naman mali pag nasa kanan siya. So, it's still okay. Number 3, we have y varies directly as x. Y is equal to 54 when x equals 9. So, varies directly. So, y equals kx, no? And then, y is equal to 54. So, substitute natin when x equals 9. So, k times 9. Meaning 9k equals 54. So, both sides we divide by 9. So, 54 over 9. So, we have k equals 6. determine the direct variation equation. So, para magkaroon tayo ng equation, syempre, kunin muna natin yung constant of variation. And since nakuha na natin, i-substitute natin yung value ng k dito. So, meaning the direct variation equation is y equals 6x. And find the value of y when x equals 3.5. So, y equals x 6 times 3.5, di ba? 6 times 3.5. So, ilan yun? 21? Is it 21? 6 times 3 is 18. Tapos, kalahati ng 6.5 ng 6 is 3. 18 plus 3 is 21. I think that's correct. Okay, so, ito yung sagot natin. So, dalawa yung sagot natin dito. The direct variation equation, and ito, the value of y when x equals 3.5. Okay, that's it. I think master nyo na yan, no? Pag napanood nyo yung mga videos natin, siguro ang susunod natin na video, it's either meron tayong application or titignan ko muna, no, kung may pwede pa akong ibigay na problems. And then, if not, then we can proceed to maybe direct square variation. Okay, maraming salamat. Gusto ko i-invite sa ating website, yung sipnayan.com. And kung kayo ay nanonood sa YouTube, no, meron tayong YouTube channel. Search nyo lang yung Sipnayan. No? I think kung pinapanood nyo to sa YouTube, then you'll see the bottom of your video na nandyan yung channel natin. Pwede kayo mag-subscribe. No? So maraming salamat. See you in the next tutorial.